back to the Miss Paper Plate Vegan channel. My name is Aoife and thank you for being here. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate all the comments, likes, and positivity, and I send that love and positivity back to you. So I mentioned in the last video that I was going to show how to clean the nama, but that video I did was not a good quality video, so I'm going to try this again. Today I had juiced some pineapple, some turmeric, and ginger, as well as carrots. And so I'm going to save that, and I'm going to make like fruit roll-ups with that. Or you can actually make smoothies, make them into muffins. So repurpose that. You do not need to throw that away. Waste not, want not. So we have the nama broken down into the sink, and we're going to go ahead and clean this. One of my new subscribers, I forgot your name, sorry about that, asked about cleaning the nama. And so we're going to go ahead and show how easy it is. It does come with a brush to clean it, plus this little flat part also flips to this brush so that you can get into the parts. But it's not really complicated as long as you don't let it sit overnight or anything. So I try to clean it, not try, I actually clean it as soon as I'm done with it, because one, I really appreciate this tool and this tool and kitchen toy that I have, as well as I want to make sure to take care of it. So let's go ahead and get started. Turn on the water. Again, this is the pitcher that catches the pulp. I rinse it out, get a little dishwashing liquid, scrub. That's quite slippery. A little more water pressure. Put that over there. This is the pitcher. The corner of the pitcher is perfect for when you're pouring your juice into your containers. If you don't have a funnel, you don't have to worry about that. It pours perfectly in there as long as you're not, you know, being reckless or careless. So rinse that out, wash. And the juice I just made was pineapple, carrots, turmeric, ginger. I think that was it. Yeah, that was it. And so it was a simple juice to help with some stuff I'm dealing with right now. So like I said, it's important to maintain your health, and if you do, then it's easier for you to bounce back quicker. So see, clean. And the beautiful thing is these two, to save space, they go into each other. Then this is the top of the tray, and as you can see, it's not that many grooves or anything complicated to get clean. So rinse that off. You have this if you need it to get in those spots. You also have this little brush part if you need to get in any crazy spots. But like I said, if you clean it right away, it's not a problem. So wipe. Sorry for those people that are like, you're wasting water. I understand. I've always washed dishes this way, but truth be told, I hate washing dishes. So, but this is what I'm doing right now. Then we have, oh gosh, we have these two parts. Okay, I had to pause. My wife came in. So, anywho, we have the auger, and the fruit can gets up in here. And if you ever hear like, it might be too much stuff in here, which doesn't often happen, but you know, just make sure you clean it as soon as possible. Don't keep trying to run it if it starts making like a weird noise. So this is the auger. This all comes out easily. Everything cleans out of here easily. Turn the water back on. even with just rinsing it, which I didn't use any soap, but I will, you can see how clean it looks. So, soap. It's a great juicer and easy to clean. For the many people I know that I've inspired to get one, I'm sure they're happy with their purchase, and I've gotten great feedback from all the people who have said they've bought one. So yeah, if you do get one, even though I'm not sponsored, Nama's not sponsoring me, I just want people to be healthy and also share the knowledge that I have and the tools that I use in order to be my best whole, healthy, and complete self. So this is the spinner. It helps all of this to turn around inside this bowl. So clean this off. These rubber parts are soft because they spin around. Well, some of them are soft, and then this one is firm. And this helps to collect and make sure that all your pulp and juice gets cleaned up and comes down. At least I hope that's correct, but all I know is it works. So, again, you can see, clean. This is the strainer. There's 3 of these. There's one you can use. This one is for the juicing. There's another one for smoothies, and then there's one for sherbets, like frozen ice, like you can make frozen ice cream with. So rinse this off real well. Get your brush, put a little soap on your brush, and just scrape. Like brushing your teeth, because that's why we have this juicer. It simulates, it's like us chewing our food so that we get the most nutrients out of our food. And I know it's a masticating juicer. It's not a cold press juicer, it's a masticating juicer. But I used to say cold press just because that's like tomato to me. So, but yes, it's a masticating juicer. Clean inside. Clean inside. Sorry about the water running. And like I said, to those who like, oh, you're wasting water, I apologize. I don't like wasting water, but I always forget to turn it off. And as you can see, it's clean. Nice and shiny. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Then we have the bowl. Now this part, you have to, it's closed when you're juicing. You want to open it up. See, open. You want to open it up. That was closed. When you're juicing, you open that up, and that'll help you pull out this pulp. We rinse out. We open the chute. Make sure we get in here. Put the toothbrush in. Can you see? You also, again, have that tiny toothbrush part that you can get into the grooves. And when you open, see, I'm doing it again, running that water. And so this is, put that down. When this is closed, it stops any of the, it just makes sure that all the pulp just goes out of here. But to make sure to get the pulp out once you're cleaning it, you have to move it to open. And then if you need to get this little toothbrush piece in here, because ginger sometimes wants to be special, but I haven't had a problem with it. You always can use this in that part, and you can also use it in this part to pull that out, and voila. And then run the water and scrape out, and toothbrush with this part. Use my sponge. Get the outside. Some of the fruits that we use, like the turmeric, likes to stain things. So again, it's important for you to clean your machine as soon as possible to preserve it, as well as to make sure that it's not hard for you to clean. That's really the trick, or the key. That's really the key. So shake that out. So it's clean, 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 clean. Put that down. And that is it. I hope that helps. And again, thank you for subscribing, for watching the videos, sharing it, commenting. I just appreciate each and every one of you. And if you have any feedback or any requests for other videos, please comment below. And have a beautiful and wonderful day. And remember, you are whole, you are healthy, and you are complete. Peace and blessings.